Today could be wrong until I found you, and to the store